So, spelt pasta works the same as semolina. You don't use it when you're rolling, but when you've got to shape, you need a lot of flour. So I'll show you what I'm making. Some busiate, which are little crevices. So see if you can, I really want you to see how I'm doing that down there. You need a lot of dough, of flour, and then you just roll it. And that's how you make it. Keep making it. I had a wire and for the life of me can't find it. So I decided to use chopstick. And the chopstick's not working because it's sticking. So it needs a lot of pasta, a lot of flour. It'll stick, but it needs a lot of flour. And you've got to fiddle about, but it's worth it. In the long run, it is worth it. Fiddling around with it is worth it. Because when that sauce sticks in with that beautiful pasta, this spelt pasta, it'll be beautiful. And this board is a gnocchi board. Gives it the ridges. You can make it long, you can make it short, whichever way that you want to make it. There is no rule. I just twirl that around like that. Let it sit, let it dry a little bit, and it'll be perfect. Let it boil it. Not bad. It's pretty good to work with, spelt, considering it's my first time. I like the ridges.